Welcome to the API Settings menu. This is where you can easily manage your applications and specifications. Let's take a closer look at how it works. In the Applications section, you can view and manage all your applications. To see an application's catalogs, simply click the button. If you need to make changes, just click the Edit button under Actions. Here, you can enable Noise Cleaner for API Discovery Record reruns and use Auto Classification, which unlocks URL and host options. Once you've made your updates, don't forget to click OK to save your changes. Adding a new catalog is just as easy. Click Add Catalog, enter the catalog name and description, and confirm by clicking OK. If you want to check the exclude list, click Show Exclude List under Actions. This list is divided into two sections, Endpoint Exclude List and General Exclude Settings, and you can add new exclusions directly from this page. Need to define a discovery rule? Click Define Discovery Rule. Enter the URL rule, method rule, header key, and header value, and choose whether to apply it to already discovered APIs. Once done, click OK to save. If an application is no longer needed, deleting it is simple. Just click the trash bin under Actions and confirm with OK. You can also edit or delete catalogs from this section and view all rules by clicking Rule List. And of course, if you want to add a new application, just click Add, enter the application name, select the classification status, and click OK. Moving on to the Specifications section. This is where you can check the version history of your catalogs and add Swagger documentation. If you want to add a Swagger file via URL, simply enter the link in the designated field. All saved Swagger files will be listed here for easy reference. If you prefer to upload a file, switch to the File Upload tab, enter the required details. Select your file, and hit Save. And that's it. The API Settings menu makes managing your applications and specifications simple and efficient. Now you're ready to take full control of your API data with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring your APIs with the ApiFort.